She, she coming, you know, peep, she coming, you know. She coming, she coming. What go on now?
Oh my god.
Plate empty.
You do that with me.
Yeah, see that peeps? I saw my food stay. You see, I didn't you know plan to eat enough. You see, by the time you start eat my food, trust me. You are gonna eat it off and even want more. And you see, me cook enough, so not to worry yourself. In Jamaica, we call it wappy. When you eat and want more, it's here. So wappy is here. What you want now? Fish?
Fish, chicken, times two.
Okay, no problem.
Times two.
What's up? What going on, my beautiful babes? Big up on yourself, whether on the yard or abroad. You know them way there? Yeah, man. Fully active. The Pamuya got the real hotel, you know. Go pick up 2 subscribers who interested in the riverside cooking. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yard man style cooking food at the river. Yeah, man. Sunrise Boss Production. Yes, so right now I'm the Ochi. Heading to Mama Bay. Pick up the subscriber them. Buy up little ingredients, head to the river and prepare them some dinner, yardman style, you know what I mean? And I think them say them want some fried fish and some jerk barbecue chicken with some white rice, yardman style. So I'm gonna prepare that for them in a day. So stay tuned, you're gonna see from start to finish. So for your first time to the channel, subscribe. And a lot of videos there for you to watch, all different type and size. Me have long, me have short. So just tune in and do the right thing. Fully active, yardman style. Mommy Bay, water wheel. Alright, make your mommy Bay, you know. No say hotel just the right around the corner, they say no peace. Yeah, man. Hotel just the right around the corner after you done the
exit the roundabout.
The roundabout. You reach the Rio.
Continue for 800 meters.
Rio, the right up this up on the right hand side after you pass Duns River. What I was telling you, again, when we reach up there, Sanders Duns River, yeah, I think after you pass Sanders Duns River. That's where you find the Rio. Coming from Kingston side or out of Ochirayos town. Yo, bossy, yo, Jano. Serious? We get blind, you know, but no in traffic like this on the highway. If me licking at the back of your car now, you have to tell me something wrong. When are you wrong for tap on again? Blind on the middle.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Mammy Bay Road.
Yeah, man, so you know the thing said, peeps. Reach and now see Sanders Duns River there. And in the right up at the stoplight there. Rio. That's the Rio. Ochirayos. Yeah, man, Ochirayos. Rio, this you know my peeps. Okay, me reach down at the lobby. Let's see if I see the guests them. Make it at the lobby, you know. Let's see if I see the guests them. No, I don't see them. I don't see them. Make it on the river, you know. So I get the chicken clean up and the fish clean up. Yeah, man, you know, danger there.
Up and active, I don't know.
Yeah, man, fully active, man. So clean out the chicken and clean out the fish. Then we get the seasoning up. Yardman style on the riverside. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, we fully active, man, outside, man. Jamaica vibes. Pretty and nice. Get the chicken seasoned up here now. Ready for grill, you know. Yeah, man, ready for grill, you know. Just done wash off and clean up. So make sure I blend up my seasoning from my yard. Yeah, man. So I still have my blender cover. Yeah man, some onion, garlic, scallion and thyme, all of them there. Yeah, season up that. Then we are going to season up this. But first, the fire catch up. So as soon as the fire catch up, put on the chicken. Make the chicken go and grill. Is it? The man we're there up on the riverside, outside. You know what I mean? Two guests them do this, go and relax. Just they are full joy at the moment, you know what I mean?
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall, dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need them, need that, looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the
Look the pigs, fire catch the chicken them. Me have to go turn them. Fire I catch them. But I say go, one fire to catch them, you just have to turn them so they not burn up. Yeah man. Want to turn them the juice where they inside. I go down and earth back out the fire, you see? Yeah man, yard man style. They are grilled some chicken, Sunrise Bass Production on the riverside. Yeah man, yard man style man. This is how we do it in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Yeah man, fully active. Fire there so ketchup, you know me I put on some rice. Cause me have some white rice to cook. Yeah man, so I'm gonna put on the rice and I'm gonna start fry some fish. Cause I have some fish to fry too. So I just there up on the riverside, a full joy at the moment, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we outside man, yard man style, fully active. Chicken them pretty. Sunrise Bass Production. Wait till when me finish and put on my sauce over them cause remember them order jerk barbecue. So me fi tell you, it's a go nice. Active you know look on the fish them. Yeah man. Some nice snapper. Yeah man, I go fry them you know. Yeah man. Easy. Like that. Yard man style we a deal with the zippery. Yeah man. Can't afraid of a child when you fry chicken or fish you know. Look on them in that pot. Pretty. Pretty like money. Yeah man. Right? So you know why I know? You just make the frying pan and the fire and the pot go and go do the work. Cause they're not ready to turn yet. You have to make them fry first. As soon as them get crisp, them are ready to turn. If you try to turn them now, them are gonna mash up, you know what I mean? So you have to wait. Let them fry. Yardman style. Watch out. Chicken is active too. Yeah man, chicken is looking good. Yeah man. Sunrise Bass Production. Just subscribe to the channel man. Fully active. Turn it. Turning the fish them you know. turning the fish then can be difficult sometimes, but you just have to know what you're doing. Yeah man, see that? Fully active. Fry then set here crisp, and the next set when I fry, just blend and nice. You know some people like fish crisp, so through 6 of them, 6 fish, I fry 3 crisp and I fry 3 normal. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Yeah man, then I can't come out here now peeps. Yeah man, fully active man. Put in the next set then and flash off the water, because the water will make them stuck. Yeah man, when I fry the fish or chicken, you don't want to overload the pot, so I fry that one here last. Fry them there, then fry this. Put in the last one you know. Yeah man, the last one left you know in a piece. Yeah man, fully active man. Yardman style, just book your riverside cooking, sunrise bar. And the team do the cooking from start to finish. You witness it. Yeah man, every food I cook right here. So nothing I hot up. Everything I cook freshly right now. Chicken and taste nice already. But them other barbecue jerk. So me jerk the chicken them. Then I put some barbecue sauce over them. But look on them feet. Yeah man, them pretty. I just use a knife and stab them up, cut them up. So when me start basting with me secret barbecue sauce, you know say all of the sauce soak inside the chicken, and that's gonna make the chicken even more nicer.
Secret like the kernel.
No sir, I don't like the kernel. Secret like sunrise boss. Yeah, for me secret sauce, it's not for the kernel. The kernel want to know about my one, but me not tell the kernel what is mine. See, like how the kernel not tell the team, me not tell the kernel what is mine. Alright, all this now, this done fry now, you know. Because you know we now hold up no time enough people. Yeah man, now hold up no time to this. Yeah man, all I fish them done fry now. Fully active. See them? Yeah man, all of them done fry. You know what I mean? So I line up here now and cut up some garlic and onion and them things they fried on the oil, throwing some carrot and some Irish, little browning and thing, and drop back to I fish them in it, yardman style. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so take off this hot oil and put it one side. Now line up my sauce them now for base my chicken them. Fully active. Time for base up the chicken them you know peeps. Put on my little secret sauce when we make half eye camera where you know see. Yes, sorry. See as soon as this sauce I go upon them, quick and fast, them start get black. So you have to make sure it's less fire in a jerk pan. Or if the fire high, you have to just pay attention. So look on them. Yeah, man, one side base. base the next side, you know. So that's what you order? You see it now?
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah, man.
Secret sauce. Secret sauce.
Secret sauce. Yes, let's see that now, yes. Yeah, man. Two side them have the sauce, you know. Yeah, man. See that? Turn in the sauce two side. And then also you still have to go have little sauce when you finish. That way sauce nice. Guess them always want the sauce to dip the chicken in a while and eating the chicken. And see if the sauce done. I look it in know how to make it. And ain't nobody make it guinea. And I still have more ingredients so I can go make more sauce. And nobody make it guinea. I'm making it myself. Alright. See how that look now? Mm-hmm. The man them pretty man. Fully active. Yeah, what me I do you know, I take out back some of the fire, you know. Because the chicken them almost done. And through me put on the sauce I go make them get black. So I have to draw the fire. Because you know it's a barbecue, you know. So if you put on the barbecue sauce and the fire take it, it'll go get blacker and blacker and blacker till it start burn up. And I don't want it to burn up. So this is it. Yeah man, look on it now. That is it, please. Yeah, see that? I eat a jerk pan. I go do the work here now. Yeah, man, eat a jerk pan. I do the work and watch the fish them. Fish them ready too. Yeah man, so it's a good look. I have the rice here now to deal with, so little bit from this start steam some rice and watch me have plant my roast, yardman style. Yeah man. Roast planting plates. Pretty. Make some more sauce. Just a sauce of the chicken then you see it. Yeah man, fully active man. Look at fire take planting. Look there. Oh god. Fire do that, you know. Yeah man, fire walk up that rice pot active now, you know. Some white rice throwing the coconut milk here now. Yes. Little bit from this, you know, I put in the rice. Everything in here already, you know, please. Put in the salt, put in some onion, put in the butter. So I make the coconut milk boil, you know. Then I throw in the rice. Yeah man, some white rice, yardman style. When I put in, when I put in the rice, I show you how I go on. Wash the rice here now. Yeah man. See? Now I left out grace. You notice in this rice, you don't have no whole heap of something to pick out. Yeah man, clean rice. So I wash it at least 1-2 times. Yeah man, wash him again. Make sure it's clean and nice. A lot of country when you know a cook no wash on the rice, and that's why no food no taste good. Cause to me, rice have to wash, you know what I mean? I have to wash off some other starch and all of that. Make the rice cook nice in a real life. So if you don't wash your rice, you need to start wash your rice and you see the food will taste better. Look at pot a bubble, you know. Yeah, man, pot a bubble, man. Put in rice here now. And you know when you put in rice in a pot, if you come above the water, if you not come above the water, that means say too much water in the pot. But look on that, the right amount of water, you see it. And then store this. When you put in the rice, you have to remember to store it. Because if you not store the rice is going to stick up in the pot and burn up. Yeah, man, you have to store your rice, you see it. Yeah, man. One go make it steam. Yardman style. Yeah, man, everything active, man. Ah, plant in a bun. Plant then done roast, you know. Yeah, man, roast planting. Very nice food, you know, Pete. You should have tried some roast planting. If you never tried it before, try it. Roast planting. Sweet. Festival mix. If you're in Jamaica and you love festival, yeah, there's a festival mix where you can buy at any one of the supermarket. Then you just buy it and you just mix it with water, knead it out, and fry it, which is festival. See flour, it come with everything in it. Yeah, man. Every little thing in it. You can read the box. But we don't have time for that. Fry, me I go fry some festival. See that? Yeah, man, see that? Because we don't really want to whole heap. So I go through here now and get my water and knead it. I don't need to put nothing in it because you have everything already. You just need water. Yeah, man. So just take time churn the water and you take time knead it out. And when you knead it out and it's set, you can get a festival. So you know if you need flour, I see where you need this piece. Yeah, man, you see way like how you need flour, that is how you need this. Fully active. See start catch already. Yeah, man, see it. You just spend time, knead them out, and then this is going to be in the festival. Broke off one little piece and roll it up. Festival. Yeah, see, that's I'm ready for the festival then. I'll show you what I go on. This is it. The cola, little cola move wicked pace. You see it? And then the rice are steam down. Fire heat wicked, you know. Lucky thing the icy pot. I'm ready to start fry some festival. Show you what I go on. Fully active.
Alright, fully active phase here. Some green fat, we have a fire now, no? Yeah, man. Green fat. Cut them so you get enough out of them, you know? See, fully active. Yeah, man, some green flat, you know? Yes, man. Fully active. And then I fry, never crush them, you know? Give them a second fry. Active. Yeah, man, active phase later. Got them ready. active. Mm-hmm. Look, man. Active. Don't cause fully paved. They're active, man. Well active. Book on the river tour now. Be a nice food I cook and so.
Active. They are line up some, dice up some carrot to extra beast fish. Yeah, man. So you dice up the carrot to how you want it, whether big or fine. Yeah, man. So I just dice up my own them to a dimension. Then I cut up my onion and my pepper and cook them down in some vinegar. Yeah, man. That's the extra beast sauce, Yardman style. So now I just go through and dice up some carrot. When I'm done, I'm ready to do the onion. I'm show you what I go on. But same time I do the onion to cut it up fine. Dice up the onion. See that? Yes. So when you're done, you can do like this. And then just drop through. Yeah, man. See that? Alright. Slice up some like this same way. Yardman style, you know, plates. Just make sure you cut them in a circle. Yeah, man. And then the little piece left, you just dice him up. So all of them there, I go cook down in some vinegar. You know the pepper. Yeah, man. Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. If you tell about it, if you don't know about it, it's hot. You done with the pot? The pot that go rinse out, because I cook it down, you know. Yeah, man. See that pepper, you know? When I'm done, I have to go wash my hand with some fab, you know, please. Because Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper is nothing normal. Alright, see it there? And then we get the vinegar and do this, throw over it. Then we put him on the fire. Vinegar gone over it. Put him on the fire now. And make it cook down in the vinegar sauce. And then we throw it over the fish. That extra beast sauce. Yardman style. Fully active. Subscribe. Extra beast sauce. Listen on the tapes. Yeah, man, it go and cook down. Some carrot and pepper and onion in a vinegar. Yardman style. Yeah, man, fully active. So share me, I go share out here now because I just this leave it on the festival. So now share out them can have the festival after with jerk chicken when them going. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so as soon as it's done, throw you over the fish and start share some food. Yardman style. On the riverside there, you see it? Yeah, man, fully active, man. Roadside. See the plates? Fully active, you know. Yeah, man, throw a sauce. Throw a sauce over the fish and the plant then. Yeah, man, good old extra beef sauce. Yes, I. Yardman style. Fully active plates. Look on it, pretty down. Yeah, man, cover him up back, take out the fish. He fly them for out of my eyesight, alright. See it there now, sharing time, you know. Yeah, man, share a little rice. There's one person want rice and one person do not want rice. One person want fish and planting. Yeah, man, look at that, pretty down. Yeah, man, one person don't want any any rice. So you know me have a fry plantain for them. Also the roast plant, we need peel the roast plant, we need the roast plantain. But them can't have that with the jerk chicken. Okay, same look. See that fully active yardman style. Yeah man. Fully active. Give some sauce. Some sauce. Yeah, man. So you see that fully active yardman style so forward. When you're done with it, show you. Yeah man, jerk chicken. Yeah man, yardman style, you know, plates. Fully active on the riverside, you know. You know what I mean? Sunrise Bass Production. Yeah, side. To book your riverside cooking and now, you know, plates. I'm gonna look on the chicken very pretty. Barbecue sauce with that, you know. Barbecue sauce, pretty. Yeah, man, see how them look. Fully active. Alright, what else left to go on them? Thinks that's it. Oh, she moving, coming to see her own peeps. Yeah, this is she not itching peeps. She ready to see her. Give her some sauce now. Yeah, man, sauce at the chicken. Put the bloody sauce over the rice. Same thing here, so. Yeah, man, fully active faith yardman style. Yeah, man, shot me 2 pictures there, same like this.
Is it a picture?
Yeah. Yeah, oh, your friend over there when she ready. Yes, please, we just make them full jar themselves. That's how we do it thing, you know what I mean? And when we done, we have some nice natural juice for them. Yeah, normally when I fry plantain, you need like a little salt over it. So we just have to tip a little salt over the plantain. I know it's good, but how it is,
Sweet. It's good.
tastes good.
The best food I have when I come to Jamaica.
Yeah, that's the best food she have when she come to
Best
Jamaica.
food. I came from Kingston all the way down here
Just for it.
just for this.
Believe no man. Yeah man, and see there peeps, watch here sir. I have 3 different type of juice. I have carrot, yeah this a carrot and ginger with cane juice. A cane juice sweet meat, you know. Pineapple, ginger with cane juice. Beetroot, ginger with cane juice. Yardman style, so them can choose from anyone or them can just drink from anyone. Cause I survives though, you see it. Yeah, man, a real life, man.
Thank you.
You welcome.
Welcome. So, this is property.
See that she a full jar herself. I saw it go peeps. Yeah, man. Fully active yard man style, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, so forward. They might eat. Gives them juice now. Yeah, man. This is the pineapple and ginger with cane juice. Yes. Yeah, man, fully active, man. That's a code. That's the pineapple with ginger and cane juice. You're welcome. If you taste it and you don't like it, we have the carrot and we have the beetroot. But I think the pineapple and the ginger and the thing will be cool and nice. Yeah, yeah, man. You're welcome. Fully active. She coming, Peach, she coming, She coming, she coming. What go on now?
Oh my god.
Plate empty.
We do that for me.
Yeah, see that peeps? I saw my food today. You see, I didn't tell you no plan to eat enough. You see, by the time you start eat my food, trust me. You're going to eat it off and even want more. And you see, true, me cook enough, so not to worry yourself. In Jamaica, we call it wappy. When you eat and want more, it's here. So wappy is here. What you want now? Fish?
Fish, chicken, times two.
Okay, no problem.
Times two.
You still want a festival?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to fry the festival. So you want a fish now to eat, or you going with it?
Nah, I'm gonna go with it.
Okay, so you can get the fish and the chicken and the festival.
In one.
Yeah, okay.
Cool.
Okay, no
Thank
problem.
you.
You're welcome. Yeah, man, fully active. Next best the dog and all our vibes. Yeah, man, look over here, so. Yeah, man, we're outside, man. Fully.
Yeah, man, you eat that egg, me give you the plate and take it out.
What you look cheap.
Oh, no, put it here. I'm going to bring it for the animals. Yeah, all my bones and stuff.
Is hungry over there.
Oh, your mangoes.
My mongoose is hungry.
She say a mangoes over there hungry. You want what? You can cut you a piece of bone and give him.
Eat off what the damn guard, man. You soon come back and search again.
Yeah, man, the outside peeps done cook. Just some festival left to fry. There you go, all the vibes. Half the mad in a man. Half the taste good in a man. Yo, you're not gonna know where Jamaica can get them a jerk, you know. My jerk, when me do, you're not gonna know where Jamaica can get it. Yeah, man, a real talk peeps. Guess them done eat and love the food. Now line up some festival and jerk chicken and fish for then take back to the hotel. You see it? Yeah, man. Yard man style right now. Put the pan the fire. A hot with the oil. Soon as the oil well hot, you know, say, you have to put in then. Yeah, man. Oil hot. Festival. Ghana pot. This is festival. This is Jamaican festival. This is our fried fish. You have to turn them, you know, because oil well hot, you know. Oil well hot. As a chef, you can't afraid of hot oil, you know. If you're afraid of hot oil, lower the kitchen. Yeah, man, if you're afraid of the hot oil, you have to lower the kitchen, peeps. When you say when you're cooking, you're running from the oil. Yeah. Yeah, man, so see how them look? Oil well hot festival. Yeah, man, yardman style. Yeah, man, so them here, soon as them done fry, me chop up some chicken. And it over. Fish, fried dumpling, and chicken. Yeah, man, this a few guests them go. So you know what I mean? I go drive out here now. So when time I drop them off at hotel, me show you what I go on plate, lock up and seal. Yeah, man. Them plate I'm work with the guests them, you know what I mean? So them can travel with food, cause all of my guests them I go always travel with food, cause what? Too nice. See there.
Thank you.
You don't want to taste the festival, right? Okay, no problem.
I'm sharing.
Yeah, man. So pack up time, you know, peeps. Pack up time. So just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. We are head to the river, you know. I left the river, you know. Leaving the river now. Going back to the hotel. Time is now 8 minutes past 6. Come on, sun about to set. Sun has set around 6:45 p.m. And once we reach back in hotel, so now I'm gonna drop off the guest them here now. Yes, I'm at the Rio. Okay, we made it.
Thank you so much. So nice.
Yeah, we made it to the hotel, peeps. These are the guests. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. Bye. Alright. Yeah, let her off. Going home now, but then block me up. She keep on saying bye. Yeah, man, that's the hotel vibes, peeps. But then block me. Walking, going back to the river. And then walking through nature, peeps. Hear the sound. Yeah, all of them look at nature sound there, the cricket them. The river you now go pack up. Pack up and then sit there and go over here. The man pack up and go on the yard. You know what I mean? And on the river side, come like it's still active.